.47, the end of January 2024. Thank fuck it's nearly over. 13:49 Peterborough Doncaster service. Away. Going early for this one as well. This one's also 3 minutes away. Hours, the 1402 LNER train service from London King's Cross. They've suddenly gained a reasonable reliability this way. We're not going to be seeing them at all in the next couple of days because of driver strike action. The trains that will be running is 20% of the full East Coast mainline timetable between London King's Cross, Edinburgh, Leeds and York. Just the 20%.
Go take some photos, Joe. Where's the camera? I can hold your hand by you. I appreciate that.
Said 20% of drivers operating the LNER services in the forthcoming strike action will be by RMT driver members. And then select members of management that are unit competent will be the train managers.
Like the long train.
So they've walked across just to wait on the other side.
Never open.
Train approaching.
Might be a 3.
It's not a freight train.
Oh, it's wet.
From London.
It's wet.
Wait for me!
More leaves in that fucking lift door track than actual parts of the door left. Entry to 03, I think. From London King's Cross. So that's then off the up main section. That'll release the barracks and send them up. There we go.